Let we see about unit to bipolar junctions. So first one, bipolar junction transistor. First, what is meant by transistor? Transistor is nothing but it can offer a low resistance to the flow of current in one portion and high resistance to the flow of current in the other portion. That is, it can transfer the resistance from one portion to the another portion. That is given as a semiconductor that which is arranged in such a way to offer low resistance to the flow of current in one portion and high resistance to the flow of current in the other portion. That is known as transfer resistors. So BJT is called otherwise called as current control device. Why? Since the output voltage is controlled by the input current. There are two types of transistors. One is the point contact transistor, another one is the junction transistors. First, point contact transistor. So, the point contact transistor, it is defective and now out of use. So, but junction transistor, it is function as an amplifier or oscillator like a triode tube. So, advantages of transistors is we are using a long lifetime and it is small in size and ruggedness and it has the absence of the cathode heating power. Next, junction transistor. Junction transistor consists of two back-to-back connector PN junction manufactured in a single piece of semiconductor crystals. That is, these two junction will give rise to three regions. So that is emitter, base, and collectors. So it is given in the junction 1 and junction 2. That is, it gives the three regions, that is emitter, base, and collector. So that is what is meant by emitter, what is the base, what is the collector. Emitter, it is a left-hander section. So that is here when it is present in the left-hander section. So that's why they are saying left-hand section or region of transistors. It is more heavily doped than any other region because its main function is to supply the majority current, that is either holes or electrons to the base. Next one, base is present at the middle of the transistor. So it is very thin compared to either emitter or collector. So it is very lightly doped. Next, collector. It is the right. It is present at the right hand side of the transistors. It can collect a majority charge carriers through most of the transistors. Then there are two types of junction transistor. One is the PNP transistor, another one is the NPN transistors. So first we can see about the PNP transistor. PNP transistor means two P-type section is separated by a thin N-type section. So in side they are both P-types are present at the corners and N-type is present at the middle. So this N-type is present at the middle. So it gives emitter is given to the P region and base is given to the N region and collector is given to the P region. So this is the PNP transistor. So here majority charge carriers are holes. Is P is present at the corner. So majority charge carriers are holes, that is P. And then the arrow of emitter to base indicates the current flow directions. Then emitter junction, then it is a forward bias. Then collector junction always a reverse bias. So the arrow indicates the emitter is positive, that is reverse bias means the emitter is positive with respect to base. Next, NPN transistors. Two N sections are separated by a thin P section. So here emitter will be connected to N region, base will be connected to the P region, and the collector is connected to the N region. So here majority will be what? Electrons will be a majority one, that is N. So here the arrow mark indicates the direction of flow current. So emitter junction is input side. Here the arrow mark indicates that the emitter junction, emitter junction input side always a forward bias, while the collector side will indicates the always the outside side, that is reverse bias. Next, transistor biasing. So what is meant by transistor biasing is the input circuit of the transistor remains forward bias and output circuit remains reverse bias during all parts of the signal is known as as transistor biasing.